What the fucking shit is an engine knock? That's when your rusty-ass car decides to fuck your life and your wallet at once. Now the engine is making weird-ass noises. At this point, you most likely scream, "Fuck!" So what's the issue? Completely destroyed rod bearings. Engine is gone. Which means, motherfucker, you need an engine rebuild. What the hell? The solution? Never buy a BMW ever again. Change your oil early and let your fucking car warm up at least 10 minutes, motherfucker. The worst thing could ever happen to a car guy. Cause he is fucked at this point. Fucking massive issue. And you know what else is massive? Anyway, don't forget to follow me or your engine will blow.